Finding help for children with mental health concerns can be really costly. One group is raising $10 million to help young students in North Texas.
That is after seeing the mental health crisis go from bad to worse during this pandemic. Brittany Johnson learned how communities and schools is trying to intervene and save lives.
Were you a teenager dealing with mental health issues?
Oh, for sure. You know, and in that time frame when I grew up, we didn't call it that. It was just behavior problems. You know, you're just bad. You know, you're just rebellious.
Kertisha Taylor remembers having a tough time as a teenager, but not knowing it was related to her mental health. She says a social worker changed her life, and now, through her work with communities and schools, she's trying to do the same for students in need by getting to the root cause of why so many are struggling in school.
We're seeing the anxiety, we're seeing the depression, we're seeing the bullying. We are seeing, students who are not interested in school anymore because they are facing a lot of adverse situations when they walk into those doors.
I don't think there is a larger issue today than the mental health and wellness of our young people.
The CEO of CIS says more than half the students they serve are reporting some sort of mental health challenge. 15 more districts have asked for their help.
Now that we're back in school, school shootings, right? Students that are struggling with homicidal ideations and suicidal ideations. We're hearing those things, and I think those campuses are now starting to feel kind of the impact of that and are looking for support.
But they don't have the capacity yet. Today, CIS launched a new fundraising campaign called 4S, Safer Students, Stronger Schools. They're raising $10 million to add more site coordinators and offer youth mental health first aid training to more schools.
My hope would be that we never have another student that has to struggle with a mental health challenge alone.
The goal is to have more social workers like Taylor to hold their hand and get students to the other side.
They're really proud of the services that they receive. They're really, they want to do better.